Hello friend, come near, a secret tale is here. The moon is shining bright, stars twinkle through the night. Bluey walks along the lane, her paws tap soft like rain. Shadows dance across the ground, strange and curious sounds. Then suddenly she sees a cloak that moves with breeze. A figure tall and slow, eyes that gently glow. Like this video and subscribe, they say, join the fun in every play. Bluey tilts her head, her heart beats fast instead. The cloaked one kneels down low, voice as soft as snow. I wander far and wide, with stories by my side. He shows a glowing star, it shines from near to far. Bluey steps in closer still, her fur tingles with a thrill. The figure spreads his hand, sparkles paint the land. Flowers bloom beneath their feet, magic hums so sweet. Bluey laughs in delight, the garden glows at night. They twirl in shining rings, hearing secret things. But soon the glow grows dim, the night feels calm and slim. The cloaked one bows so deep, magic's yours to keep. Bluey holds the star so near, her eyes shine crystal clear. Thank you friend, she said, dreams swirl inside her head. He fades into the sky, waves a last goodbye. The lane is still once more, moonlight on the floor. Bluey skips back home, no longer feels alone. The star will always gleam, a treasure in her dream. So listen close, come near, more stories will appear. Bluey waits for you each night, with warmth, with joy, with light.